Reggiana bird of paradise or orange bird of paradise because of its orange-brown color. Is a medium-sized bird of paradise with a length of about 34 centimeters from the genus Paradisea. This bird is yellow and reddish-brown orange, has a bluish-gray beak, pink mouth. The iris of the eyes is yellow and the legs are purplish-gray-brown. The Reggiana bird of paradise is a polygamous species. The male bird attracts a mate with a dance ritual that displays his decorative feathers. After copulation, the male bird leaves the female and starts looking for another mate. The female usually lays 2 pink eggs and raises the young alone.